I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select GiveWP. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. Click on Connect. Successfully connected with GiveWP. Click Next. Choose an action from the drop-down. I am selecting Create a Donor. Now do the field mapping. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to GiveWP. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now navigate to the GiveWP dashboard. Go to the donors list. Here is the data that came into GiveWP through the integration. Thanks for watching.